Bend your knees, please. As you're bending your knees, hug around those shin. Shoulders down to pelvis, breathe. Kind of listen to this sensation. Can you drop your head down? How does it feel? Many of us will feel a stretch to our spine, maybe along the back of the neck. Go to a place where you can breathe, because we have some options for this next activity. Some of us are going to stay right here and breathe because this is enough. Some of us are going to say, oh, I want to lie down and lie on my back, hug my knees in my chest, and lift and hold and breathe. That's another idea, so you can decide what you want. Some of us are going to say, well, I want to lie on my back and hold my hands behind my knees because I'm going to rock. So each of us are at different places. Maybe you'll rock, maybe you'll come up, so you decide, and at this time, if you want to, and that's for the group here, you decide what you want to do. Some individuals will say, well, I want to hold on outside of my shin. And we're working on rolling. But not everybody's ready to roll yet. Maybe you're just saying, I'm going to, keep doing what you're doing, ladies. You might say, I'm going to stay right here, just hugging my knees, because that's enough. And others will say, I'm going to lie on my back, hands behind my thighs, and I'm going to move my legs and breathe. And just notice what that feels like. Am I holding my breath? Or can I keep doing what I'm doing? Inhale and exhale. Now wherever you are, ladies, let's go ahead and take rest lying on your spine. Breathe. Hi, I'm Nydia Darby. I'm the owner of Nydia's Yoga Therapy Studio in San Antonio, Texas. We have an array of videos that are available for your viewing pleasure as well as your practice. Go to my website, www.nydiasyogatherapy.com. You know, the only thing that you have to do is breathe, so have a fabulous day. Namaste.